Ayan, barbecue party. Sarap, diba? Hi guys! Meron kaming barbecue party. Mamaya, darating yung family ko at saka yung family ni Mai. Tapos we're gonna watch the match, the boxing match of Marquez and Mayweather. So, ayan, nagba-barbecue ako. Ayan, chicken, some ribs. Actually, tawag nila sa akin dito barbecue king kasi ako daw ang pinakamagaling mag-barbecue. Anyway, so ito yung bahay. Yan, this is where I'm staying at. Yan, dito kami manonood mamaya ng boxing. Yan. Marami kaming handa actually. Nagdala sila ng maraming pagkain. Ayun. So anyway, have a nice day sa inyo and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.